Hi guys, I'm Sachin Murali. I've been working as a blockchain developer for last 4 years. Today we got a task in Substrate blockchain. So it is here I have defined the question like create a simple Oracle event feed pallet. Okay, the an event should be an arbitrary length byte, and only a single authorized account may post an event, and the pallet should store last 1 hour of events. Okay, so based on this question, I have prepared some primary analysis how it should work. Okay, so the first is like create an Oracle event feed palette. So we need to create a Oracle event palette, and the event, each event we are creating should be arbitrary length bytes. The arbitrary length bytes means it's an 8-bit arbitrary number, like unsigned 8 U8. Okay, so we are creating multiple events. We can store that arbitrary events in a vector. Okay, and next is all yeah how the event should look like whenever an Oracle feed event is created, we need a name, a description, and we are storing the timestamp whenever that event created and the block number which it got added. Okay, so it's a struct which we are taking that data inside a struct. Okay, after that the next requirement is only a single authorized account may post an event. Okay, whenever we got a single authorized account, we are executing this in our Substrate Dave chain. So in Dave chain, actually they are providing a set of predefined account with balance like Alice, Bob Stash. Okay, and Alice is considered as a default pseudo user or root origin. Only Alice have the admin privileges. Okay, so over here only in our case only Alice can create an event. Okay, then what are the functionality we required? Coming back to the functionality, we only just need to create a create a simple event. Okay, so from that function we are checking three parameters. First one is root origin, like we are checking whether Alice is executing that transaction or not, means the authorized person is performing or not. Okay, and we are along with that we are collecting the event name and the event description. Okay, other than that, like this is our important requirement, the pallet should store last 1 hour of events. Okay, to perform this we are taking help of an hook which is called on initialize. Okay, the on initialize hook is used to whenever a block is initialized, we want to perform a certain task. Okay, so we are storing our event based multiple events based and along with a timestamp. So inside the on initialize we will check whether any timestamps exceed the limit of 1 hour. If it is exceeding the limit of 1 hour, we will remove that event from the vector which we are storing. Okay, then additional palette support we required over here. We need to have the palette timestamp for calculating the time. Okay, so we can't entirely use that palette, so we don't need it because we only need one trait, that the name is unit time trait from the time palette timestamp. So we are making sure we are loosely coupling the timestamp palette with our current palette. Okay, okay, actually I have completed the task. I can show you, this video is only for showing you the entire demo. Okay, coming back to over here, this is our palette Oracle feed. I'm starting our Dave chain. Okay, the Dave chain has been started at the port of 9944, and we can take help of our online explorer. Okay, over here this is our explorer. So you, as you can see, it is already connected to our block number 3, and it is showing block number 3 over here. You can connect with local node at 9944. Okay, so it is already connected. Now we are going to perform a transaction going to extrinsic, and we are taking Bob account, and we are going to our palette name is Oracle feed event palette. Okay, and we are, as I already told you, we have only one function which will take event name and description. Okay, and we are passing, let's test. Okay, and nothing is there, and when we submit the transaction it should throw an error. Sorry, let me refresh the screen once again. Okay, selecting Bob, Oracle feed event, create event, test, nothing. I'm submitting the transaction. Yeah, it should fail because it's a bad origin, because only Alice can perform the action. You can see the error. It's a bad origin. If you're going back to accounts, you can see only Alice have the pseudo key badge. Remaining Bob doesn't have the pseudo key badge. That's why Bob can't perform the action. So let's try with Alice. We again go back to, instead of extrinsic, we will go to pseudo because Alice is the pseudo user. From here, we are selecting our Oracle event feed, the one function. We will check it. Let's put just okay. We are confirming the transaction. Before that, for our sake of this demo, we are not removing the event based on 1 hour. Only we are checking with the 100-second time frame. Okay, so we can see the real output. Okay, I'm confirming this transaction. This transaction has take time. Yeah, it's successful. Okay, let's try one more. Maybe okay, I'm confirming this transaction also. Yeah, I'm confirmed both two. Actually, I confirm created two events. Okay, now let's see the event. We're going to the chain state. Over here we are selecting our pallet and we are selecting our, so when we confirm it, see the Avengers which has been created on block timestamp 1664 391 240, and this is 241. If you go to here, this is the current time frame. You can see it's 286. That means here it is 240. Every 100 seconds it should remove the first data. Okay, so according to our time, whenever it reaches 340 or 345, it should remove Avengers. Right now the time is 305. We have to wait for the 40 seconds. Okay, 39. So let's see, after 345 it will remove, and after 370 this will be removed. Okay, let's again check the time. 320, 25 seconds more. Okay, 20 seconds more. 27, 28, 29, 30. Oh, it's 40, 31, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 40. Yeah, the first one has been removed. See that 5 second, because our block time is 5 seconds. That's why it is taking additional 5 seconds to remove it. Okay, after couple of seconds, this thing will also get removed. Okay, right now, yeah, 61, 62, 63, 64, our time reaches. It may remove at 70. After 5 seconds, it will get removed. Okay, the both event has been automatically removed. So this is our task, and I will be uploading my code base in GitHub. If whoever evaluates this, if they have any doubt, we can directly connect. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.